What's she doing now?
You can't get in there.
What
Hey.
is that?
What is the bread? Schnitzel.
Schnitzel.
Look at him.
Stuffing in his gullet.
Stuffing his little gullet full of bread. Look at this little boy. Schnitzel. Schnitzel, you're a bad pussy. Schnitzel, puss, look at me. This is serious. You got a food addiction. Look at your little belly. Alright, just calm down.
Holly, was that his mum out there screaming just then?
Come on, look. God.
Is she getting approached by a Tom?
Hey, controlled cats like this Ferris catus.
Ferris catus. They're a different breed.
Who's this?
Cece, yeah.
That's Cece or Roxy?
Cece.
Oh, Jesus. Schnitzel. What's he grizzling around? This cat. So yeah, just block of wood. On the cross leg, Vietnamese style, and then bang. That's how you put it in there, just like that. Ceramic bearings, no worries. Beautiful paint job. This is a lightcarbon.com frame set. Fantastic, fantastic. So this is how my Chinese bike, we put a SRAM ceramic bottom bracket in there, the press fit, the BB86, and it's got something in the bag here as well. So, a little adapter in there, I'll take it out in a sec. But anyway, so what you can do, piece of wood like that, put your bike on something gentle, so okay, and you're just going to give it a bit of a tap. And that's how you put your bottom bracket in, using no tools. And again, you want to exercise a bit of caution. This is a soft bag here as well. You don't want to damage anything here. And just bang, it's just sort of going around in circles. And boom, to save myself $40, put a bottom bracket in there myself. Looks pretty flush and good to go. That's good to go. Hey. Hey. Schnitzy, you hook him up with a hammer. Schnitz, you use hammers, I ain't gonna hold him back. Bread addict. Schnitzel. You don't care, this is how strong these cats are. You can pat them with the hammers. And unfazed little pussies.